Anyway, how about this? Calculate the area of the triangle. What is the formula again? Area of ABC is 1/2 AB times C. In this case, 1/2 A is 8 times 14 sine C is 106. What is it?
Okay, hold on. I'm doing. On the
Okay.
calculator, it's like
It's okay.
I have to do parentheses and everything. Hold on. It's like weird.
Make the parentheses visible.
53.8, I think.
Sorry?
53.8.
No. Oh,
What?
53.8. Yes. 53.8. Yes. Easy. Okay. You're good with the area of triangle, right?
Yeah.
Should be. Just remember the formula. Anyways, you should be given the formula in the formula booklet. Calculate the length of the arc EF. Is it still related to this? I don't think so. I think you're missing something here. Do we need to do this? You should have a circle somewhere for this.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just trying to understand. Calculate the length of the arc EF.
There is a missing information for this one.
Okay, so should I just put this information?
It should be. What is number 11? What is the circles look like? You should have a circle. Oh. And arc. And the angle. Do you have the picture with you?
Well, I'm drawing the circle.
Oh, but I don't know the information.
All right, so just say misinformation or a question mark.
Yeah.
All right.
Should be another information previously. Maybe there is attached in other worksheet, but for now, technically this is not really related to the sine and cosine. It's just area of circle. Maybe we can skip that and continue to number 12. What do you think? Yeah?
Okay. Yeah, and then calculate the size of the angle in this right angle. Give your answer correct to 3 significant.
Yes. So what do we use?
Is this one Pythagoras? No, I know. It's 5 over a equals 6 over a or something like that? Or like...
No, we need to find the angle. SOHCAHTOA again.
SOHCAHTOA, yeah. Sine.
Which one?
So they don't have hypotenuse, they have adjacent or opposite and adjacent. So tangent A equals 5 over 6 or 6 over 5.
5 over 6.
So tangent shift tan minus 1a.
5 over 6.
Yeah. So then hold on. 39.8.
39.8. Yes. Yeah, you're getting it. Let's go. What is this? The diagram shows a vertical.
Yeah, this one I need help on. Hold on.
Sorry?
This one I need help on. I'm trying to think.
Wait. The diagram shows a vertical toward DC on horizontal ground ABC is a straight line. Okay, ABC is straight line. A, B, C. The diagram shows a vertical toward DC on horizontal ground ABC. Okay, so D should be somewhere here. The angle of elevation D, no, D should be somewhere here. Boom. This is horizontal. That means the angle is 90 degrees. The angle of elevation D from A. What is angle of elevation?
Yeah, okay.
The angle of elevation of D from A is 28. This is 28, right? And the angle of elevation D from B is 54. This is 54. AB is 25. Oh, calculate the height of the tower.
Mom, 54, yeah. 25.
So that means CD. What is CD? How do we do this? That's the only information we know. The diagram, vertical, the ground. Okay. AB is straight line. ABC is straight line. The angle elevation D from A is 28. Angle elevation D from B is 54. AB is 25. So AB only is 25. We don't know BC. Okay. To find to find DC, we can use SOHCAHTOA anyway.
Yeah.
Right? SOHCAHTOA. But we have two missing informations here. We don't know this. We don't know this. Okay. So we can use sine rules. All right. So if this is 54, right? What is the other side of the angle?
180 minus 54 or no?
Which is, yes,
126.
126. So that's it. That is 126. We can use the sine rules. So if we know this angle, we know this angle, then we know this angle. What is this angle?
Single. Isn't that 120?
Triangle,
26?
yes. 26?
Yeah.
Let me check. 180 minus 28 minus 126 is 26. Yes, exactly. So sine rule says sine 26 over 25 is equals to, or the other way, 25 over sine 26 is equals to, we need to find, let's find this one first. We can find that. Will be, let's say this is AD over, what is it? Sine 126. So AD will be equals to 25 times sine 126 over sine 26. What is it?
Hold on, I'm just doing it. That's it, right? The answer is for 80.
Sorry? Yeah, for AD only.
Times sine 126 divided by sine 20. 46.1. All right.
46.1. So AD is about 46.1. So this is 46.1. All right, we know that. Now we can find. Oh no! Oh, I wonder why there's a spiking out. So we can
Can I go to
find
the
this.
bathroom?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah, actually, let's wait because the class is almost over. Let's wait.
Yeah, just let's get this question done and then we can
All right,
call
so
it a day.
46. Got it.
Yes, and we can find this one by using the same way. So BD over sine 28 equals to, we can use 46.1 over sine 126. Or just use sine 26 here. It'll be easier. 25 over sine 26. So BD is 25 sine 26 over sine. So sorry, this is 28. This is 28, yes. 28 sine 26. What is BD?
Is that all right?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Sorry. We don't need to find BD actually. We can find BC from this. If this is 90, this is 54. That means this is 39, right? No, why 39? 36. This is 36. Oh yeah, you need to still find BD. Sorry. So BD is, let's go. What is BD? Fine. 26.
26.7 or 8.
26.8. Okay,
Yeah.
now we know 26.8.
And then
From that, we can find BC, or we can directly go to this.
we
Let me
can go
withdraw.
directly to DC. So
Yeah, you can directly go DC. Go to DC. If you know this triangle, let me redraw this triangle here. So this is B, C, and D. This is 54. This is 26.8. What is this? Sokatoa? Which one? Let me redraw this here.
sine or to.
This is
No,
40.
opposite sine.
Okay, 54. Opposite, yes. Sine. So sine 54 is O over 46.8. So O is equals to 46.8 times sine 54. What is that?
Oh, so funny. 37.86, 37.9. All right.
So yeah, that is 37.9.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Okay. I'll see you again sometimes.
Yeah.
I'll share this to your mom, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, bye Rohan.
Bye.